What is nutritional yeast and why do vegans love it? Let's talk about that.
All right, hit it.
Nooch, pooch, kombucha. Vegans love nutritional yeast. It probably is the worst named product on the market. Nutritional yeast, this particular brand is made by Bragg's. Bragg's also makes a sort of like a soy sauce with an equally bad name, but nutritional yeast is nicknamed nooch. And vegans love this stuff. In fact, when we buy it by the case. One of the reasons is it does have B12 in it. Nutritious, great taste, vegetarian, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, adds delicious flavor to foods, kosher, non-GMO, gluten-free. I mean, everything is in this little container. And vegans use it when they say they want to add a cheesy flavor to things. It really doesn't. I'm not sure. Someone said nutty at some point. I think it tastes more nutty than anything. But there are a lot of different brands of nutritional yeast. We prefer Bragg's. And so what I want to do right now is just give it a taste by itself so you get a live reaction. What? This is going to be fun. All right, so like I said, normally this is an added ingredient. I use this in my tofu scrambles a lot. Again, told it adds a cheesy flavor. I wouldn't call it cheesy. So it's flakes. It's little flakes of yeast. It actually said the first ingredient is inactive dry yeast, and then there's niacin, and then a bunch of other things I can't pronounce, and vitamin B12. So it's hard to explain because we eat so much nutritional yeast. I would say this just smells and tastes like nutritional yeast, but here goes. Don't sneeze into your nutritional yeast. Oh my God, now I have a nose full. Whew. That's the stuff. There we go. Delicious. Yeah, so get some nutritional yeast, experiment with it. I'm telling you, put it into your pasta dishes, especially put it in your tofu scramble if you're making that. It does add a new flavor. It adds all of the things that this particular jar contains. But I would give nooch a thumbs up. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think of nooch.